There are few members of Utkalika who determinedly contribute for the success of every event at the background without any expectation of any reward.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to recognize all such architects who contributes behind the scenes selflessly for the community cause whom we call as Karmavira. May I request our first Karmavira of today's evening, any guess?
सर थोड़ा सा साइड में हो जाएंगे.
Deepak, to come on the stage, please. Mr.
Deepak Kumar Swai.
Mr. Deepak is an active.
दीपक भाई भाई गोटे भलो कि ताली हे जाऊ.
Deepak is an active and committed member of Utkalika. We recognize and present his memento as token of appreciation for his valuable contribution to the organization. Deepak bhai, congratulations.
जोरदार ताली दीपक भाई को भाई.
दीपक
Really,
भाई
man.
गोटे भलो कि ताली हे जाऊ. नेक्स्ट कर्मवीर आउ जने बढ़िया हमर ओडिया सब जगह थांती. सी होचन ज्योतिर्मय राउत. ज्योतिर्मय राउत, ज्योति बाबू कोडे गले? We, for his unwavering dedication, steadfast commitment, and exemplary services, Team Utkalika recognize and present the memento as token of appreciation to Jyoti.
जोरदार ताली हम ज्योति भाई को भाई.
ये जोरे मानतो ज्योतिर इनविटेशन अछि ता घरे खाइया पई.
एथर खासी पेट तांकर है.
The last but not the least, our next Karmavira. No. It's not Karmavira. It's Karma Virangana. Is one of our founding member, an energetic lady, and she is known as our own Nani, Deepika Nani. But however, she is not present here today due to her personal commitment. I would like to call her better half, Mr. Atanu Nayak, to come on the stage and
अच्छा दीपिका नानी पई दी जण आसी परिबे. ता भाई भी अछन दीपक दादा.
please.
दीपक दादा.
Deepak Dada, please on the stage.
सबु थरो जेंट्स मन को पई लेडीज मन नै चंदी. एथरो देखंतु लेडी को पई जण जेंट्स नै चंदी. ताली हे जा गोटे भलो गिरी.
अतनु भाई आसंतु प्लीज.
दीपक दादा और अतनु भाई.
दीपक दादा.
दीपक दादा अतनु भाई होचंदी हमर उत्कलिकार एम्बेसडर. फाउंडिंग मेंबर्स and who are carrying the legacy all through. ठीक है, जोरदार ताली आओ थरे. Thank you and congratulations to all Karmavira and Karma Birangana. To conduct any event, a lot of preparation is needed, which involves resources. We are fortunate to have our sponsors whose contributions made today's event easy for us.
So we would like to invite the representatives of our sponsors who are present here. DSP Doha, the representative is not here unfortunately. Sosco WLL, pioneering of stainless steel and a market leader in steel trading. We call upon stage Mr. Satish N. Singh, administration manager, onto the stage to receive our token of appreciation.
ठीक है, जोरदार ताली हो सतीश बाबू का पई. नेक्स्ट हो जी. Thank you, sir, for your continued support.
One stop shop, square word, square yard. Square it's not there. Scorpion Logistic. Sunil Dakwa.
Sunil Babu, Sunil Dakwa.
Sunil Dakwa is not there. Okay. Then ATS Qatar is also not there. We thank our banking solution partner Easy Bank Loan. To felicitate, I would like to call Mr. Sri Kiran and Mr. Priyadarshi Das onto the stage.
अच्छा प्रियदर्शी बाबूଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କି ତାଳି ହେଇ ଯାଉ एमसी मेंबर स्पॉन्सर पैसा
Easy Bank Loan.
इजी बैंक लोन ପାଇଁ थैंक यू प्रियदर्शी बाबू बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद थैंक यू ऑल
Thank you all. बहुत खुशी. Okay. So now thank you all our guests. I would. Yes. Now it's time to call all MC members and the advisors to come on the stage for the photograph of today's evening.